Welcome to Autocar Solutions. In this short video, I'll show you exactly how to navigate our website and easily submit a solutions ticket. Whether you're registering for the first time, requesting warranty parts, or just need a quick refresher, we've got you. Ready to get started? Let's dive in. For starters, go to autocartruck.com. Go ahead and click that green diamond in the top right corner of your screen. Click the Service and Warranty Parts button. Now you're in the Autocar Solutions portal. First time here, go ahead and click the Register button at the top of your screen. Fill in your information and click Sign Up. You'll get 2 emails from Autocar. The first, to verify your email address. The second will prompt you to set a new password for your account. Now you can log in with your new email and password. Once in, you now have complete access to everything in Solutions. Click on the green diamond to open a ticket, request warranty parts, or register your truck. To get help, click on Open a Service Ticket. Start with the drop-down menu and get started. Most of your contact information should already populate. If it doesn't, simply fill out each field, such as dealer code, account name, contact, and VIN. Don't see your VIN? Don't worry. Simply add it to the short description box. Let us know what's going on with your truck and then click Submit. Within 15 minutes, you'll receive a confirmation email that your ticket was submitted and a call from one of our factory-trained experts. Expect to receive emails and calls about the progress of your ticket. If you run into any problems or get stuck during this process, you can always go back to autocartruck.com, click on the green diamond, and click on the 888 number you see listed here. You're all set to make the most out of Autocar Solutions. If you have any questions or need any other help, do not hesitate to reach out. We are here for you. Drive safely and see you next time.